Hey crew, how's it going? Just heading down, a little bit of a break in the weather. Still overcast and that. I'm going to head down and check out the endurocross track. I've got a feeling there might be a little bit of water in there, so we'll go down, suss it out, yeah, see what's going on down there. Pretty wet underfoot here. Just wanted to say a big thank you to Casey and Ange from Wyld Industries for jumping on board, allowing me the privilege of repping their gear for them. Really appreciate it, girls. I look forward to what the future brings for us. You girls have got some awesome ideas for some new gear and that. Can't wait to be a part of what's to come. Thanks heaps. We'll catch up with you. This is the water course that runs from outside the property through and then out the bottom of the property, so a little bit of water in here. There's my matrix. This is whether this will fill me gumboot up. Whoop. Yeah, a little bit of water. Ooh, whoa! Nearly overflow gumboot. Let's step over here on the high ground. Whoa! Oh, I've got a bit of water in there. Yummo. That's the matrix. Make sure you keep an eye out for me for snakes too. Let me know if you see anything. So there's our tyre island. Spare pallets. Another tyre obstacle up here, right on the edge of that water. So yeah, pretty much 95, or I may as well say the whole track is got water on it. Yeah. Good old wet season, eh? Well, as you can see, there's a fair hit of water in here. Yeah, it does go down pretty quick. Like if there's no rain, this will be empty within like a day. So yeah, it's bit of a inland sea down here. But, yeah, all good. Can't ride it at the moment anyway, so yeah, can't wait to get down here and yeah, tidy it all up and yeah, get ripping again. Take it easy, peeps. We'll catch up with you, hey.